How the Chevrolet Corvair changed car design with its rear engine innovation. Most cars in the 1960s had front engines for easier cooling, repairs, and better weight distribution. The Chevrolet Corvair broke tradition by placing its engine in the rear, surprising the American market. A rear engine layout improved traction and interior space but created challenges with handling and engine cooling. The Corvair's unique design made driving feel different and sparked debates about safety and car engineering. Public opinion was divided, but the Corvair's bold move influenced future car designs and automotive conversations. Like and follow for more surprising stories from car history.